Okay, everybody, this will be a short little video called From the Resources page, and I'm only going to introduce it today because we're going to use this one mostly in class more than at home. So Resources page, if you click on this, what this is this is a listing of the topics that are in Math 105. So if you go down this left side, the first day exploration, which has a fancier name than that, we'll talk about it in class. Grade, linear modeling, quadratic modeling, exponential modeling, randomness, intro to stat, and so forth, probability. Those are the topics we're going to explore in this class together. And we're going to go in roughly this order. I've taught this class a bunch of times. I've added, subtracted topics, I've moved stuff around, and I kind of like this order. So that list, and notice they're hyperlinked, we'll get into that in a second too. On the right side, and again, it's a very gridded up, very yellow, very 90s. But on the right side are resources that go with these topics. So the first day exploration only has a PowerPoint, one slide PowerPoint, and an Excel sheet, because most of what we talk about with that first day into the second day is done on the board and with each other and with decks of cards. The next topic, grade, has simply a PowerPoint. But you notice that some of them also have what are called YouTube class videos, some topics. What I did years ago was I schlepped a video camera to class and I recorded myself teaching these classes to a class. I think it was 2013, 2014, somewhere in there. So if you ever miss class and you know what topic we did that day, which you will because I'll have it updated on the schedule page, you can just go to the YouTube class videos for that topic and get an idea at least what we did that day. Okay. And these other resources over here we tend to use in class, making a scatter plot, PowerPoint from class, breaking distances, spreadsheet, all those things we use in class. So you don't have to worry about that right now. We'll explain that as we go. You'll notice there's also some e-text links. There is no textbook for this course. There's no textbook for Math 105 or any of my courses for that matter. If you need a textbook or a textbook with problems in it, you can click on this and it'll actually take you to a PDF document, which is the section of a textbook that looks like a math textbook would look, and complete with homework problems at the end if you want to, if you need some more practice. And then at the very end of that, we've got the answers. They're tucked in here somewhere. There they are. There's the solutions. So, you know, that's not every topic has a text. Not every topic has e-text. Grade doesn't. I don't think statistics does. Nope, randomness doesn't. But some do. Probability does. Exponential modeling does. If history is any guide, most students don't use it, if history is any guide. So you don't have to worry about that. The links over here, I'm going to get into briefly here and then come back to them. So, for example, the topic of grade. If you click on that, it opens up a PDF document. At least it should open up a PDF document. There we go. And what I've done on some of these is I've created extra problems like the ones we do in class on these exercises or on these topics. And then I solve them below. I solve them down here. I call these E-questions for extra questions. So if you ever need more help doing the problems from a certain topic, you can go right to there and go to the E-problems. You can also, if you want, access the quizzes on the topics from here, but I don't worry about doing that. I only store them here. I make them more easily available to you in a different way, which we'll talk about soon enough. So that's this page for the most part. It's just basically this is what you would see on a normal day of class. There's no dates here because I'll put those dates on the schedule page by listing topics. So what we did together, I'll put topic grade or topic linear modeling or something along those lines. So that's basically what is on your resource page. Next up, we'll explore very briefly the Excel calculator.